Wowonder script. So here is our project. This will go to so we are going for the installation job. Just click on I agree the terms, continue. It will check for necessary permissions. Then click next. So we need to enter this code. So here this code is not for education purpose. Just enter anything. So we need to create a local PHP code by PHP by admin. Create a database password for that installation. SQL localhost, hostname will be localhost, username will be root. I am using root. Password will leave blank as I am installing in localhost. I'm creating new database. Enter. Create it. So database is created. So password is left blank. Database name is this one. Site URL is localhost slash site name, enter anything. Site title admin, just keep on admin username only. Just wait for some time. The installation will proceed. Don't forget what details you are entering here so that if anything is locked, we need to do the first installation. So now the installation has been completed. We have successfully installed the Wowonder. Let's get started. So we are here. Just enter your username and password. Just click on login. So your admin account has been logged in. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on our channel. Whatever doubts you are having or you requesting any scripts, you can comment on the below video section. Thanks for watching.